Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making eggnog. It's that time of year, the holidays are upon us, we're gathering with family and friends, we're decorating, and we're going to warm ourselves up with some homemade eggnog, and I'm going to share with you my recipe. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For the eggnog we are going to need 6 egg yolks, half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of milk, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. In a large bowl, we're going to mix together our egg yolks and our white sugar until they've lightened in color and it's nice and creamy. And that's the color and consistency we're looking for. Now we're going to head over the stove and start heating up the milk and the cream. Now in a large pot, we're going to mix together our heavy cream and our milk. We're going to bring this up to a low simmer. As the milk and cream's coming up to temp, we're going to add in our nutmeg and our salt. Once the milk and cream come up to a bare simmer, we're going to temper our eggs with it. We're going to slowly add a little bit at a time because we do not want to scramble the eggs. And once you get about 2/3 of the cream mixed into the eggs, we're going to dump it back into the pot and head over to the stove. We're going to put it back into our pot. Give this a stir, get it well combined. Add in our vanilla. Come back to the stove and we want to bring this back up to about 160. We're going to check the temp. I'm not sure if you can see that, but we are at 160. You want it to hit between 160 and 165. Now you want to put this into a pitcher or another container and let it cool down in the fridge for a couple hours. It's going to thicken as it cools. Once ours cools, we're going to come back and get a taste. We'll see you then. Our eggnog is cooled down. That looks nice. I'm gonna top mine with a little bit of whipped cream. Gonna add a cinnamon stick into it, make it look pretty. Give it a little dash of cinnamon. All right, now let's get a taste. Let's have ourselves a drink. Give us a little stir with our cinnamon stick. Oh. It's rich, it's creamy, the nutmeg and the vanilla shine, but they don't overpower. If you want to add alcohol to this, you want to go with something that's a little bit higher in alcohol content to counterbalance the sweetness, a brandy, a whiskey, something like that. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. You can check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. If you'd like to support the channel, check out our Patreon account. The link is below. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.